Dun sa pa 10 years nyo na together, what was the hardest one?
Oh,
Na pinaka parang muntik na
Yung
talaga na
na-testing
bumitaw
kayo.
kayo talaga.
because ano kasi ako I grew up that hindi ako nagde-depend sa ibang tao. So I
Very
really worked
independent.
my ass off till this day. Like I'm honestly the breadwinner of my family. For the reason being that I feel that kung kaya mo naman magtrabaho ka. Kung may capabilities ka, magtrabaho ka. Like, hindi ko kaya to stay home. That's my personality. So anyway, I never stopped working. And then my business finally, it worked out. It's been working out. Which is my wellness brand.
Wellness, oo, yeah.
So, nagkaroon kami ng issue ni Javi like 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Na,
Like a 7-year itch?
yeah, parang 2
Literal.
years ago. Parang na-feel ko that ang laki nung responsibility na nasa
Burden
Wala
sa'yo.
sa'yo.
yung weight.
Ah.
Yung parang bigat na bigat ako sa load. Tapos parang...
Where is it coming from?
Was it a financial thing?
yeah.
Lahat na,
Okay.
lahat na.
I think it was a financial thing that I feel like I'm doing way too much and I don't feel
For the
any-
family.
Yeah, I didn't feel like
Support?
that much
Supported.
Parang
At that time, what was he doing?
he had a job.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
kasi
Oo,
yung-
di ba you're making baons pa for him?
Yes, he had a
Oo.
job. But at that time kasi parang it wasn't enough for all of us.
Correct, because it's a growing family.
Yes. Plus, he didn't kasi do his family business. He didn't do that
Join,
route.
oh.
He wanted to do his own
thing.
route.
His
So,
own.
he had to find himself talaga and figure it out for himself. So, anyway, I had the upper hand kasi nung unang yung business ko was doing well. So, it was basically, yun yung bumubuhay sa amin. And then, yun nga, I felt drained. Pagod na pagod ako. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Tapos parang feeling ko I'm not at home so much. I don't get to spend
Spend time
time.
with your kids.
May guilt
trabaho
feeling
lang
na-
trabaho. Hindi mo naman na-enjoy yung pinagtatrabaho
Yes.
mo. Alam mo may funds, pero hindi mo naman na-enjoy.
Yes,
Saka
hindi ko
hindi lang.
nakikita.
Hindi mo
Oo,
nakikita yung mga bata.
Hindi ko nakikita. Tapos parang, parang nag-fizzle lang yung, siguro spark. Nag-fizzle yung spark for a bit. Na parang, bakit parang lahat nagkaroon ako ng ganong moment.
Was it, can you say, may konting resentment?
Konti. Which is, ang grateful naman din ako sa kanya kasi nung sinabi ko yun sa kanya, talagang binago niya lahat yung nafe-feel ko. Kasi, natatakot kasi ako sa sarili ko. Pag napapagod kasi ako or ayoko na or feel ko na I'm tired of something, I tend to detach. And when I detach, kind of leads to, okay, I'm done.
Out na
Bye,
bigla.
I'm out.
Oo.
So it became like a thing that when I felt like I was detaching, I had to do something. So I told him. And he was so nice about it. Like, hindi niya ako inaway, hindi niya ako ginatungan, hindi niya dinefend yung sarili niya. Ang narinig ko lang was, sorry. What do you want me to do? How can I help? How can we fix this? So that already for me was enough to see that this guy was mag-e-effort siya.
Willing to
Willing to
work,
fix it.
fix it.
Hindi siya yung parang, alam mo, may mga lahi kasi na
Gagatong pa.
gagatong pa eh. Na parang,
ganun, no?
"Ito yung ginagawa ko, ito
Oo,
kayo eh, bakit
Magkakaano kayo, parang labanan ng
Yes.
ambag or
Mag-aabogado,
whatever. Oo.
kumbaga.
So, anyway, he was able to really do a lot of things. So, we divided our expenses. Okay, ikaw dito, ikaw magbabayad dito, ako dito magbabayad. So, until now, nag-work sa amin yung sistema na ganun. So, 50-50 kami sa bahay.
Para may shared responsibility.
Yes.
Okay, wala sumbatan.
Walang sumbatan. So, doon kami naging okay ulit.
Mas okay na kayo ngayon.
Yeah, feel ko
And,
yun yung pinaka-hardest.
and up to now, you're still earning more.
yes.
And
Up to now.
you're not afraid to tell it to the world. Kasi,
No, I have
may
shared
mga...
this.
Yeah, I mean, may mga tao pa rin kasi hanggang ngayon. I mean, pareho tayo. I'm earning more than my
Yes,
husband.
yes.
And it's okay for me to say it.
Yeah.
Kasi, responsable naman siya. And I feel like mas mahirap yung ginagawa niya more than me.
Yes.
Non-monetary wise.
Oo,
Yeah.
hindi man malaki yung ambag niya sa bahay, pero yung ambag niya sa mga bata, mas malaki sa
Yes.
ambag ko.
Yes.
Yung life ambag.
Pero
That's
kasi
what I
itong
mean.
klaseng norm na to, hindi pa sanay ang mga Pinoy dito.
Hindi nga.
And
That's
parang
why.
feeling nila, and sometimes it affects the relationship.
No, you know why?
Parang
Kasi,
minsan okay naman kayo, pero yung chika sa paligid ang
Nakakairita.
right?
hindi kasi for a guy, yun nga, because of the norm, yung ego namin, parang, shit, mas malaki kita na asawa. Parang feeling mo nanliliit ka, but it also takes a maturity from a guy
Yeah,
and
exactly.
and just your personal, knowledge that
True.
it's okay. Nobody ever said that the guy should earn more.
Yes.
Like, I want to hear your stand on that. I mean, kasi meron pa rin talaga mga babaeng inahiya sila to tell na I'm earning more than my husband, pero okay naman kami sa bahay.
Well, for me, ang pinakamaganda kasi sa husband ko is sobrang biggest cheerleader din talaga siya. Like,
Supportive.
as pakikita naman ng tao yan. Kahit anong gawin ko sa buhay ko, manghang-mangha talaga siya sa mga ginagawa ko. And he now is also part of my company. So he helps the back-end operations of my company. Kasi sales lang ako talaga. Taga-benta lang ako, girl. Yun ang expertise ko. But
Mas mahirap yun yung ginagawa niya.
the actual
Back-end
ops.
siya yun eh. So nag-joint forces kami doon. And feeling ko nga mas na-strengthen din kami kasi nakikita ko din kung paano siya nagtatrabaho. Nakikita niya yung trabaho ko. May respeto na kami doon in a sense.
They say you shouldn't mix work and your relationship,
Yeah.
but for you guys, it's working out.
Well, of course, may
Or there are
mga inisan.
challenges,
Pag hindi ko nakukuha yung gusto ko, alam mo yun, or like
May
parang,
pagtatalo pa rin.
may pagtatalo pa rin
Oo,
kasi may mga certain ways how I want things done and siya iba. But then, in fairness naman sa kanya, you know, the wife is always, right?
Thank you, Lord.
Hinihintay ko lang sabihin. Fairness naman sa
you.
kanya. Sige, sabihin mo.
Fairness naman
Sabihin
sa
mo.
kanya.
Sabihin mo. The wife is always right.
The wife is
Sinabi-
always right.
Sinabi rin niya. Alam mo
Hindi-
na sabihin niya.
hindi ka pa
Hindi
ba?
plus dito.
Ah.
Okay, the wife is
Dot,
always
dot.
right. So, oo naman siya. You know? So, pero yung pag-amin nun sa tao, wala naman akong problema doon.
At saka wala kang pake kasi nga, I mean, like, looking at your personality, I mean, I don't think you care about what
kasi
other
kung sa
people
bahay
say.
naman namin, hindi siya issue. Wala namang
true.
ego problems. Okay naman
And
yung
if it
asawa
works,
ko.
it works.
Yeah.
And you guys are okay. You guys are happy.
Exactly.
Everything is just nice.
Tama.
And I believe
Agree.
that.
Diba? Masaya yung
Amen.
mga anak namin, masaya kami. So, bahala kayong mag-judge dyan.
And people will always
Correct.
have something to say.
Kahit ano
Correct,
naman
correct.
gawin mo.
Everything. So it's at the end of the day, it's really going back to you, your relationship, your household. If you guys are happy, you know, stick with it. If nothing's wrong, stick with it.
Ay.
Kaysa papapekto kayo sa mga, like I said, everybody has something to say, pero you don't have to be affected with everything.
Pero sa usapan nyo ngayon ni Javi tungkol dito, I mean, like, may mga times ba na napag-uusapan nyo na, okay, gusto ko itong gawin.
Yeah.
May mga ganun siya na okay lang ba, wala dito sa company mo. Like, I wanna do this. Ito lang.
He has a side business. It's called Risk Provision. So he sells watches.
Yes.
Yeah, I
That's
follow
his
him.
hobby.
Nakita ko,
Yeah, I
yes.
message him.
He really loves, that's his passion.
Yes.
Bigyan ako 50% discount sa pate kasi hindi dumating. Pero sabi niya, gagawin niya. Oh, happy ha, pare, pinag kita, pare. Ha, binintay ko pa rin 50% discount.
So, ito yung passion niya.
Yeah,
Oo.
passion niya yun. And so, supportahan ko siya doon.
Yes.
So, nung nag-start siya ng business, I helped him out. And then, after that, may plano kami this year na siya naman. So,
That's nice.
we'll set
the
him up a
spotlight,
shop.
yeah, put the spotlight
yes,
there.
his own thing. Because I also want him to have his
Thrive.
own thing, you
Yeah,
know.
thrive
Like,
also.
hindi naman ako selfish na tao. So, sabi ko naman sa kanya na, okay, so let's do this for you. Let's put a little shop. Hanap ka na ng location. Para meron na siyang sarili niya. Tapos, I can just do my thing and he can do his. Ano naman ako
Supportive din, like
supportive,
him.
Super.
Oo.
And
We
that's how
just
it
support
works.
each other.
That's how
And
it works.
that's how marriage works naman.
Oo. Pero sa inyong dalawa, sino yung parang, paano ko ba sabihin to, mas hands-on sa mga bata? Mas gusto ng mga bata?
Ako, sorry.
Oh, wow, surprisingly.
Alam
Kahit
niya,
ganyan
best friend ko yan
busy.
eh.
Wow.
Ako talaga, promise. Because my schedule will never... I'm just glad though kasi hawak ko yung oras ko. So I get to choose what kasi I own my company. So ito lang yung days sa papasok ako. My mornings are always with my kids. So I take Melly to school or I pick her up. Depende kung ano yung what the schedule permits. My mornings are dapat 7 a.m. Kung gising yung mga anak ko 7 a.m., gigising ako ng 7 a.m. And then I spend time with them.
So, parang ikaw, nasa nakikita ko ngayon, you're the type na, mommy muna.
Yeah.
Mommy duties
Yeah.
always,
If I have to
bago ang
take them
ibang
with
bagay.
me to work, I take them with me to
Pero
work.
you said kanina, ako yung tipo na hindi niyo ako pwedeng sa bahay lang. Kailangan nagtatrabaho ako.
Yeah.
Pero yung schedule, dapat aligned with your
Yes.
kids' schedule lagi.
Live selling. Kasi 'di ba my company, my business, ang 99.9% ng sales talaga namin comes from TikTok live selling.
Okay.
So, I do my live selling at home. So, if I have my own warehouse, I have my own live studio, but I can do my live selling at home. So, magla-live selling ko, magbebenta ako sa bahay. Para nasa bahay lang ako. So, buong araw ko, kasama ko mga anak ko, tapos magbebenta ako sa gabi. Ganyan.
Sige nga, walk us through your day. Yung normal day ni Danny.
Okay, so let's say now we have this. So, kanina, I took my daughter to school and then I have this. And then after this, I'll go home.
You drive yourself?
No, of course naman, I have a driver na. And then tomorrow, meron na naman akong shoot. And then after, uwi na ako sa bahay. Then after nun, may live selling ako. Parang basta may time ako sa bahay.
So you don't also super pack your days anymore just to make sure that may time ka with the kid.
That's why, diba, I told you guys, I only shoot 3 episodes
Correct.
per
Yeah,
one
yeah,
day.
yeah. Hindi mo na kaya, sabi mo.
Kasi kung let's say Monday to Sunday, kung yung Monday ko natapos ko na lahat ng trabaho ko na yun, di libre na yung buong
Ganyan din
week
ako mag-isip.
ko.
Kung natapos ko na lahat. Kasi yung wife ko minsan lagi sinasabi, ba't lahi ka, katingkat na may ginagawa? Sabi ko ganito kasi, Han, pag natapos ko na lahat ng by Tuesday,
Tapos
ibig
na.
sabihin,
Tutungangan
yung
na lang
Wednesday
siya.
to Sunday ko, wala na akong gagawin.
Oh.
Sabi niya, ganun. O sigurado tayo bukas, may gagawin ka na naman. Maghahanap ka ng hindi mo pa
all the
nagagawa.
way.
Pero totoo din yan, kasi
Sakit ko rin yun eh.
pag lagi ka na nasa bahay, parang tagal ko na nasa bahay.
Merong mali.
May mali.
Meron
Okay,
akong kailangan
mag-live selling
gawin.
ako.
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yun.
So at least ikaw, paano ba? Swerte ka. I mean like, yung time mo
not
hawak mo
all.
talaga eh. But did it ever cross your mind to be with your kids 24/7? Like full-time mom? Hindi talaga.
I
May mga
really
ganong
can't.
babae na pag-usapan namin yan ng best friends ko na ako like, sinasabi ko to, alam mo to sa podcast na sabi ko, parang mas mas ma-work mom.
Yeah. I'm a
Parang
working
hindi
mom
ko
din
kaya yung...
But do you think you guys...
Hindi naman sadless yung pagmamahal namin sa
Yeah.
mga anak namin. I don't know. I mean, can you explain it? Bakit nga ba? May ganun tayo.
I feel like for me to become a happy mom and a happy wife, I need to be able to do what I want to do also.
Yeah.
And to be able
That's
to keep myself sane, and working is what keeps me sane. Basically, it makes me feel that I'm not useless. Yung meron akong silbi. Hindi naman kasi lahat ganun. Pero hindi ko kasi kaya na nasabay lang ako tapos ay full-time mom ako tapos feeling ko, alam ko naman kaya ko magtrabaho, capable ako, dami ko pang kayang gawin, malakas pa ako. So,
Paano mo inaalis yung guilt? Na kasi, di ba, may mga moments sa
Umiiyak pa rin
buhay
ako.
ng... Oo, may mga
Umiiyak
moments
pa
sa
rin
buhay ng bata na hindi natin nakikita.
Oh my God. May mga na-miss din ako. May mga na-miss din ako talaga.
Pero I think kasi, looking at it, from a different perspective, ano kasi yan such a boomer
Mindset.
mindset
Oo,
na kailangan,
Bahay lang ang babae.
bahay ka lang, tapos So parang people would say, ba't trabaho ka ng trabaho? May mga anak ka. You don't get to spend time with your kids. Ganyan. And it makes you feel bad, makes you
Yeah.
feel wrong. When actually, kung yun ang ginagawa ng mga lalaki, kaya rin naman gawin ng mga babae.
Babae.
Diba? And if you have to work, you have to work. Baka
Yeah.
di ka magpapakain sa mga anak ko. Hindi naman
That's what I say.
Diba?
Pag binabash ako about that.
Oo.
That's
And
what I always say.
Isa pa siguro, like, growing up, you saw your mom working so
5
hard.
kids kami,
I know.
Why 5 kids kami? So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko personality talaga. And you know what? I saw the difference. Because when I had Millie, I also, nagpetix din ako. Na-experience ko din na wala akong ginagawa. And it,
Nabaliw
Not good
ka.
for you,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
good for
Your
you.
I
mental
really
health.
deteriorated. Like, kinalimutan ko yung sarili ko. I wasn't fixing. I wasn't dressing up. I wasn't fixing. I was, parang tumanda ako bigla. It's like, ayoko na to. I don't want to be that person again.
Pero what's your advice dun sa mga moms na laging nakahalt yung mga decisions or plans na gusto nilang gawin for themselves dahil laging
kids.
bata
Kids,
muna,
kids,
bata
kids,
muna,
kids,
bata
kids.
pa to, lalaki din naman to paglaki
Yeah.
nila sa kanan.
Tsaka
Yeah.
niya.
But I feel kasi different circumstances yun eh. Baka naman kasi yung husband nila is yung nagdadala talaga
Yeah.
ng income sa family or...
And some guys would say that, huwag ka na magtrabaho.
Yes!
A lot of
May
guys
mga guys
would
naman
say,
din kasing ganun. So, I cannot say na mali yung ginagawa nila kasi baka yun naman din, depende rin sa personality yun
Baka
ng
hindi lang
babae.
gusto nila.
Yes, baka ang personality
Focus ka sa
talaga
kids,
nila,
diba?
focus sa kids. Like, iba-iba kasi tayong klaseng moms.
Yeah.
That's why you really, wag ka talaga magja-judge ng kapwa mong nanay.
Tama.
Kasi iba-iba kayo how we live. We can't just be, because ito yung nag-work
Works
sa'yo,
for you,
kailangan
works for everyone.
ganun din sa akin. Gusto ko working mom ako eh. Kung gusto mo stay-at-home mom ka, that's great, di ba? Pero parang, feeling ko din kasi, magkakaroon ng point, ako ewan ko babae kasi ako parang feeling ko magkakaroon ka kasi ng point na ma-realize mo na sa sarili mo na, lalo na pagtulog yung mga anak mo tapos wala kang ginagawa. That will hit your brain eh, na parang,
What if?
what if? Magkakaroon ka na maraming what
Yeah.
ifs. And for me, that's the saddest thing if yung buhay mo punong-puno
Yung
ng
what
what
if, yeah.
if.
I have to
So,
agree.
maybe life is too short to have way too many what ifs. So, if you can and have the capabilities and you have a very supportive husband who will allow you to still be the great woman that you are, I think you should.
Go for it.
Galing.
Go for
Yeah.
it. Diba? But no judgment here.
Yeah.
Of course.
Again, iba-iba tayong nanay.
Oo, no judgment. Ano yung pinaka-harsh na comment na talagang di mo kinaya, either ni-replyan mo, blinak mo, or whatever, or sanay ka na ngayon?
O inaway mo.
Inaway mo, ganyan.
Siguro when they always use my mom's
Past?
Tapos ganyan kasi mom mo, kaya ganyan ka rin.
Parang lagi nila sinasabi na,
Runs in the family, runs in the blood.
mangyayari sa'yo yung nangyari sa nanay mo, ihiwalayan ka, magaganito ka, yung mga anak mo gagawin din yan sa'yo. Kasi they have this narrative, people have this narrative how we are with our other parents. So parang feeling nila we're doing a certain thing to our other parents, pero wala naman talaga kaming ginagawa. But okay, sige, so they feel like gusto nyo paglaki yung mga anak mo, ganyan din sila sa mga magulang nila. And I'm like, but that's the thing. Wala naman kasi kayong alam sa nangyayari.
Yes.
You have-
Sanay ka na?
Sanay na ako din.
I mean, na gano'n, na wala naman silang alam, pero
I
ang
think
dami
after a
nilang
while-
sinasabi.
After a while,
But
ka
no,
na rin.
especially you, wala ka naman sa showbiz eh.
Wala. But ang hate ko lang was when they attacked my daughter.
Yes.
My daughter
iba
kasi
yun.
was diagnosed with mild autism last August. So basically, she's 6 years old na and she's been ilang taon na bago siya na-diagnose. Parang, ilang taon na siyang ano yung tawag doon?
Therapy? Ina-assess?
Ina-assess,
Okay.
yun. Ilang taon na siya ina-assess kasi she's great with everything except speech. She has speech disorder.
Okay.
So, the DevPed kept trying to give chances na parang baka naman mag-improve if we put her to this therapy center, if we put her here. So, it was a long journey. Then finally, last August, mild autism talaga kasi hindi nag-improve. May speech siya pero hindi pa rin siya conversational. So, alam na namin, we never were in denial about it, but we just needed to hear it from a doctor that this is what we're dealing with. So anyway, I just don't like the fact when they compare my daughter to other kids or they say na, nagkaroon pa ng time na nagko-comment sila sa Instagram ng mga ibang nanay sa mga anak. Buti pa tong
itatag
anak
ka.
nito, yung anak ni Danny ganito.
My gosh.
And for me lang, you can bash me all you want. I'll take it. Just don't
Iba
hit
yung
an
mga-
innocent
Yeah,
child
of
that,
course.
she
I
doesn't
know.
know.
Right,
My
right.
God.
Walang laban yung anak ko di ba? Tsaka walang mali sa anak ko. Hindi porket yung anak ko may disability or may autism, there's something wrong with her.
Correct.
Like, for me, mag-aaway talaga tayo. So anyway, pinatulan ko.
As in, di-replyan mo.
Pinatulan ko.
Oo, pero
Dalawa lang pinapatulan ko about my daughter or when
and about
they
your
say-
mom.
Tatlo pala.
Kids and your mom.
Yes, my family, my kids, and then of course, whenever they say that whatever I have or I have achieved is because of a man,
Okay.
I really fight back. Because hindi ako nagpapakandahirap araw-araw sa buong buhay ko.
Para
And I
masabi
do-
sa'yo yun.
Para masabi sa akin na lahat ng meron ako dahil sa asawa ko. Sandali lang naman.
Grabe maka-judge ha.
Sobrang,
Parang
oo.
nanggigil ka. Ramdam ko yung
Nanggigil
gigil.
ako eh.
Ramdam ko yung
Ayaw
gigil
na.
mo ah.
Dama ko
Baka
yung
bato na
wala.
to eh.
Kasi
Oo.
hello, be,
Attack na to.
wala na nga siyang oras sa anak niya minsan, tas ganyan pa yung judgment. Like,
Sabi ko, sandali
get you.
lang naman. Anong sinasabi nyo na pag wala akong asawa, wala akong mararating sa buhay? Heck? Like, what kind of thinking is that? So, yun lang yung mga pumapatol ako. Kasi number one, para sa mga babae din.
Oo.
Na sinasabi nyo ba, ang babae hindi mabubuhay kung walang lalaki? Are you kidding me? Please! Baka nga other way around pa eh. Joke lang.
I love it.
Joke lang
I
sa
love it.
Napag-uusapan na yung mga babae. So, tama ba? 4 girls kayo and then one guy,
One guy.
sa
Yes.
magkakapatid?
Yes.
Gaano ka ka-protective being ikaw yung ate,
Sobra, alam ng mga
panganay,
kapatid ko yan.
ate.
Alam ng mga kapatid ko yan. Minsan nga pag
Levels na ano ba to? Magchat-chat ka dun sa ex na, ba't mo ginawa ito sa kapatid? Ganong level?
Hindi, pagka ko talaga sa mga boyfriends nila, ramdam naman ng mga boyfriends.
Paano?
I'm very cold. When I like you, it means I like you. When I don't like you, I'm very cold. Like, alam din ng mga
Tahimik?
kapatid ko,
Tahimik ka?
Hindi ka na-effort to...
Hindi din. Hindi ko kakausapin masyado.
Walang plastikan.
Walang plastikan. Or, alam din ng mga kapatid ko, kunyari pag may issue, ako na yung unang ite-text. Dan, please do not reply to anybody. Please do not anything. Don't answer any like
Why?
that. Ako
Why?
yung ganun eh. Pumatay lang talaga eh. May article na hindi ako agree. May comment na hindi ako agree. So, lagi ako pinipigilan ng mga pamilya ko na, Dan, do not say anything.
Kalma.
Kalma. Eh kasi alam ko yung pamilya ko, di sila ganon. Pero ako kasi I cannot sit still and watch people talk shit about my family all the freaking time.
And like, I can see how you love your siblings so much.
Yeah,
Di ba
they're
sinasabi
like
ko
my
sa'yo
kids.
kanina off-cam na what I like about your relationship with family is kasi usually pag ganitong edad nga, ang mas close mo na are sometimes your
Yes.
friends more than your siblings, your mom or your family. Pero sa'yo, nakikita ko, mas sila yung lagi mong kasama,
Yeah.
sila yung lagi mong kausap. parang every Sunday magkakasama kayong
Yes.
lahat. I
Is
mean,
that a thing talaga? You guys have to be
ganun
every
ba
Sunday?
yun? Parang ganun yung relationship nyo dahil paano ba? I mean, like, yung relationship kasi ng mama with her other siblings, hindi
Yes.
ganun. Kaya, parang
But
very
you know,
protective ka of your relationship with your siblings.
The relationship kasi of my mom with her siblings wasn't always like this naman eh. We
Okay.
grew up that they were really also very close.
And yung other siblings niya, she's okay naman. Nakita ko eh.
Parang they really did grow up close, all of them. So we really also saw kung gaano ka-close, all 7 of them. So it wasn't always like this. It was just a
Yeah.
period of our time that it became like this, but it wasn't always like that. We also had a great example nung mga bata kami kung gaano
Kung
sila
ba- yeah.
ka-close. Kasi lahat ng gathering namin, punong-puno yung bahay.
Gano'n nila ka-love yung isa't isa.
So you kind of, you
Kompleto.
wanted that to also carry over to your family now?
Yes. So, growing up, my mom would always put us in one room. So, share rooms kami talaga, bata, up until,
Kung magkaaway kayo, deal with it.
yes, magkaaway kayo, huwag kayo
Ayusin nyo yan,
magpansinan.
Good luck.
Until isa-isa na kami umalis ng bahay, nasa isang kwarto pa rin kami. Nauna ako, then Julia was able to build her house, so umalis na siya. So, for me, it's like, nasanay kami na we had each other all the time for anything. So, may nag-aaway, may nagagalit, may issue yung isa, may ganito yung isa, nasa isang kwarto kami lagi. My brother has his own room, but he sleeps with us.
Did you apply this to your kids?
I have been now. Because now my daughter and my son, okay na sila. Close na sila. So weekends, kasi my daughter has school, so nagigising yung ano. So
Na
pag
maaga,
weekends,
oo.
pinag-iisang kwarto ko na sila. And I want to put that because I saw the effect on us na magkakapatid. Or like, pag may issue ang isa-isa sila magpa-pop up sa bahay. Nakakatawa. Nangyari to, I think a few months ago. One sibling, I was in the States. One sibling was calling me, another one was calling me, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go home. Everybody is a mess. I need to go home. Yung,
So like, you're like the mom ate talaga.
Parang ganun nga, parang ganun yung vibe.
Parang ikaw yung
Yes.
glue yung magkakapatid.
Tapos meron kaming Life 360, so alam namin yung whereabouts ng bawat isa. Bago namin
Ganon ka-close,
Yes!
girl. Wow,
Bago napasok si mami doon sa circle na yun. Ako pa lang.
Kailan kayo nag-start na gano'n na alam niyo yung location ng bawat isa?
Nagsimula kasi yun na yung husband ko, sabi niya sa akin, gumawa kami.
Oo.
For your
I mean,
family.
like for
For
husband
our
and wife,
family.
parang
Oh, yeah.
it's
Because
normal
Life
eh.
360, they also detect collision. Kung may accident or anything, nade-detect yung app. Nag-a-alarm yung phone nung may isa. So, sabi niya, okay, let's put that. So anyway, na-mention lang namin yun sa mga family ko. And then my sibling said, okay, put
Game,
us
game,
on.
oh.
So, we put my siblings and then si Leon, nadula siya one time sa mom ko kasi sabi niya, Danny is the only one who knows where I am 24/7. And then my mom was like,
How?
what do you mean?
Naku po, nadula si
So, hindi
nadula
kasama si
Sir.
Mami. Wala si Mami
Bakit
doon.
wala ako dyan?
Sabi niya, sabi ko,
So, kasi-
Wala na yun, wala na yun.
Wala na, bringing up mo
Explain
na.
explain mo
We
na.
have an app that I had to show her. So she told us
Kasama na rin siya ngayon.
demanded.
Siyempre, ganun talaga.
And then you can pause that location. So pag pinapause mo yung location, nagbe-message yung nanay ko. Kids.
Ang tagal mo na dyan.
Kids. This is the only thing that puts me to sleep at night, knowing where you are. Do not pause your location.
Grabe.
Unpause.
Damn!
Grabe.
Because we don't live with her anymore. Leah
Correct.
also just
Yeah.
recently moved out.
Oo.
But she's still in the same building. Pero sabi ng nanay ko, yun lang yung nagpapatulog daw sa kanya. Pag nakikita niya
Gusto
lahat
lang niya,
kami.
para
Kasi
naman,
it notifies where you are. Like say,
Uh-huh.
when you get here, it notifies her that I get
Okay,
here.
arrive.
When I'm home, Danny is home. So yun lang daw yung nakakaano sa
Para lang alam niya, nakauwi na lahat.
Yes.
What do you most love and hate about your mom? Since we're talking about Marjorie now.
Love, you know what? I think I love her for the relationship that I have with my siblings and how she fights for us talaga and how she never left us. Never niya kami iniwan. Never niya kami pinabayaan. Lagi niya kami pinaglalaban. Tsaka kami yung priority niya. My mom's world is just her kids. That's the thing. Do you know that we force our mom to go out with your friends. Do something.
Ako,
Ma,
naging ako sa
magsumba
mom
ka naman.
After
Yung
a while,
level.
Kasi na-fixate eh.
Yes.
Na-fixate.
Oo. Si Mami Su, ganun din, for sure.
Kaya medyo nung nag-empty nester siya, parang...
Oo,
Ganyan si Mom.
Parang tapos she feels bad na you don't... Siyempre, kanya-kanya buhay na rin kami,
I
diba?
know.
Pag nakikita niya, nag-hangout kami magkakapatid, why am I not invited?
Ganon, mismo.
Ganyan na.
Mismo.
So, naiintindihan naman namin siya.
Kasi nasanay siya na magkakasama kayo.
Siguro, ang hate ko sa kanya is, my mom talaga, always, not naman really hate, but I really wish she fights for herself more. Because she tends to really,
He's so selfless.
yeah,
A
she
bit too
wants
much.
to just stay quiet.
A
She
bit too
chooses
much.
to always stay quiet and just not fight back. It's only when it's kailangan ng lumaban kasi damay na kami. Doon lang siya lalaban. But I really wish though that people know kung ano talaga yung mom ko. Kasi may perception na yung tao na
Correct.
about
Based
my
on
mom.
the chismis.
Because of the chismis and because of other people.
Yeah.
But they don't really know how great she is. Because sabi niya, I have nothing to prove. You guys know the truth. Yeah, but that's the thing. I don't want people to look at you that way. Siyempre protective kami na.
Yeah.
But you're not like that. Hindi, alam mo
ikaw
yun?
yan eh.
Hindi ikaw yan eh.
Kaya ang
And it's not
nangyayari,
right masabihan ka ng ganyan. Kasi,
parang ang nangyayari nga din, ikaw minsan
Ako lumalaban.
ang nagsasalita.
Ang lumalaban.
Hindi ka niya napipigilan. No.
Hindi.
Ikaw si
Mom,
attorney.
hindi pwede.
Hindi. Kasi sabi ko parang hindi ako papayag na gaganyan yung titignan yung nanay ko. Kasi grabe pinagdaanan ng nanay ko the entire year last year. Oh my God. Like non-stop last year. And the prior. It's like every year there's something attacking her all the time. And my mom is just silent.
Quiet. So, ngayon ba, nag-uusap kayo ni Tita Marge?
Again?
Nag-uusap kayo ni Tita Marge kasi okay na kayo lahat eh. Was there ever a time na parang, Ma, okay yan, pwede ka nang jumowa ulit or mag-love
Oo.
life ulit?
Do you- do you
ayaw na
encourage
niya.
it?
Hindi namin pinipigilan si mommy.
Hindi kayo pumipigil sa love life ni
Gusto
Mama.
siya masaya.
Kasi
Gusto
may
siya
mga
masaya.
may mga kids na hindi na nila
I
gusto,
don't think.
lalo
Pero
kung ilang
parang sa
beses
itsura
na
parang
na-heartbroken,
hindi-
di ba?
Parang encourage nyo pa siguro, no?
Ayaw niya na eh.
Ayaw
Si
niya.
mommy din sabi niya.
Done with men.
What was the last
Done-
conversation about it?
Done with men.
We always make her asar though. Say, come on, like, go na. Like, have
Oh,
fun.
right,
Meet
right.
new people. He's like, guys, kinda done with that. Ganun lang siya. I'm kinda
Pagod
done with
na,
that.
napagod
I
na.
kinda don't want. I'm okay na with my life. Like, I told you nga yung sa mom ko talaga, it's just all about
The kids.
us. And now she's really the greatest grandmother.
Oo, lola
She
mode.
really loves
So after
my kids.
sa inyo, sa mga
Yeah.
anak mo naman ngayon.
Kaya I feel like sabi niya, ito na yung point ng life ko. Hindi ko na kailangan ng iba. Hindi kung dumating. Kung hindi, wala
Correct,
na siya. Hindi ko nakahanapin.
Oo, yeah. Sinong pinaka-close mo sa inyong magkakapatid? Like,
Ah,
sinong bias? Sabi nga, sinong bias mo
Bias.
sa kanila?
Close kami lahat. Pero syempre kami ni Julia ang mas
Super close.
super
Dahil
close.
Dikit yung edad.
Dikit. Medyo dikit yung edad. Tsaka, siguro na din yung matanda na kasi si Julia eh. So, yung ano namin, yung
Yung wavelengths nyo,
wavelength
medyo
namin,
connected
swak
na.
na. And we kind of have the same friends na rin. We
Yeah.
share our friends. And I think ever since kasi she was young, since she was the second one, like siya yung kasunod ko, I always felt very responsible of her. So very like, I need to have her always close. So she's never that far away from me. She's always just there.
Na,
You know?
alam mo nga, nasa
Alam
Life
ko,
360 siya,
yes, nasa
siya yung
vicinity
pinaka
lang
vicinity.
siya.
Oh.
Yun.
That's good.
Okay, sa buhay mo, how happy, content you are now? 10 being the highest.
10. Very happy.
That's fantastic.
I'm very happy because in all aspects of life, I finally found my footing. One, my kids just give me so much life. They're like everything to me, and I have a very supportive partner, and I love where my career is also heading. So I feel like at this moment, I'm so glad that at my age, finally, meron akong some contentment kasi yun yung hindi ko na-feel
Ever
since.
There's always something missing.
There's always something missing, lacking, or but hindi ko matama. Finally, everything is where it's supposed
And
to
I
be.
hope it stays that way.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, you look very happy now. I've also seen you through different
I know,
phases.
I know.
And alam ko pag blooming blooming siya.
Oh, and can I just say,
Nakita ko
since
yun.
first time ko nakita si Danny, matatawag ko siyang Tita Marge. Gusto ko konti na lang matatawag ko na siyang kaka-Tita Marge ko.
Nakapreno ka eh, sabi ko.
Kakatawag ko ng Tita Marge. Can I just say, dahil first time kita nakita, sobrang ganda mo sa
Oy, thank you so
personal.
much.
I mean,
Thank
walang
you.
justice yung camera.
Hindi ako photogenic.
Iba
Talaga.
talaga
promise.
siya. Kaya nakaganon
Hindi.
lang ako sa'yo. Di mo ba napansin?
Hindi ako photogenic.
Yeah, pero
Nagulat
I think
ako like-
this is one of the times that I can really feel the energy is
Yeah,
great.
very
You're
positive.
blooming.
Thank you,
And I hope
guys.
it stays that way.
I love this. I think this is my pinaka na guesting.
No, and can I just say-
Ang dami nga natin natawid eh. Para relationship, parent.
Ilang episodes
No,
ba to?
ang dami na punta kay Tita Marge,
episode
kay
yata.
Javi.
Tatlong
Gawin
episode.
episodes ba 3
to?
parts to. No, Bear It All Podcast, bagay na bagay sa'yo. Kasi, kung ano yung nakikita ko sa'yo
Correct.
online, on
That's
social
you.
media, that's you.
Yes,
Ito siya.
what you see is what you
No
get talaga.
filter talaga.
Yup. And I really trust the people that I trust. Hindi naman kasi sa lahat ng interview, share mo lahat. But I think because it's also comfort with kung gaano ka komportable sa kausap mo din.
Yes, oo.
Always.
At kahit nga itong mga to, hindi ko na share sa podcast ko eh. Majority.
Pero thank you for
We're
giving us
happy
the time.
that you're here
Oo.
with us. Thank you guys for
Super
having
excited.
me. This
Thank
has
you.
been so fun.
Thank you
so
guys, and we hope you enjoy the episodes.
Kulang
Marami
nga
to.
eh.
Parang
Dami.
tatatlo
Bakit,
nga yata
bakit
to eh.
pinuputol mo? Dami pa nga natin tanong. Wow!
Hindi,
Alam mo,
magigest pa tayo sa
2
podcast
hours
niya.
na kami Jumichika, hindi ko naramdaman.
Magigest tayo sa Beritol.
Oo nga, doon naman.
Oh,
Lipat
dun
tayo sa Beritol
so
Podcast.
check out the Beritol Podcast and of course your social media accounts.
Yes, Danny Barreto P on TikTok. And just go watch Baritol Podcast.
Thanks for being here. So
Thank you,
much
thank
fun.
you.
Thank you so much.
Be
You had
safe.
the best time.
Be good. Bye-bye.